G'day guys, it's Daz from Ironwood Construction in Arrowtown. Hey, down here in the deep south, it's a really harsh environment. So to create these super homes, we're working with some of the toughest materials. Steel, concrete, stone, you name it, we build with it. The new 36 volt HiKOKI 9-inch grinder is the tool we use to work those materials. I'm getting all the power I need from one multi-volt battery. Job done.